welcome to the Fringe 2026 edition. This area they've set up is called Gluttony. It's in the Rymill Park. The main centerpiece is the giant lake in the middle with an island called Champagne Island, which is like a little bar setup, which is one of the many bars and food offerings in the Gluttony area, and the Garden of Unearthly Delights, which we'll also go to. And of course, the main draw card is the shows, of which there are many. A record number of shows and apparently a record number of people attending the Adelaide Fringe Festival this year, which is very good to see. It just keeps getting bigger and better. They're expanding in all directions. It's been beautiful weather. The sun is shining and there's a lot of people out making the most of the Fringe while it lasts, which is what you do when the festival season is on in Feb and March, because after that there is a lot less happening around town through the winter months. Here at the main food area next to the lake in Rymill Park, absolutely bustling right now. Normally it's pretty deserted, Rymill Park, but the Fringe is on. This place is so packed you can barely even move sometimes. Everyone's jostling for some of the fine festival cuisine on offer for whatever you're into. We're on the very busy Rundle Street now, which is blocked off to traffic during the festival on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And right now it is a Sunday, so all the restaurants have spilled into the street. So people can walk through, get some food, enjoy the music. It's a very carnival atmosphere, the Wild West right now.
Let's try it. Everybody with me. 3, 2, 1. Run. Or just walk, whatever. Can we get a big clap for those two boys? Daniel, get out of the way. No, there we go. Do a quick little lap of the stage for everyone who's got their cameras out. One for you, ma'am. Over here. Over here, just a little voguing. Nice, okay. I make my way to the center and I balance on 3, 2, 1. We're venturing into the Garden of Unearthly Delights now. This is the main area that they set up for the Fringe, keeping in mind that the Fringe happens across many venues across Adelaide and South Australia. So it's not just in the city, but as far as the city goes, this is probably the big one with the most shows, the most entertainment, rides, you name it, it's all in here. Currently illuminated by the light coming from the Maho Magic Bar, which is a Japanese magic show, which has been a staple at the Fringe for many years now. With its distinctive neon lights and shapes, it's quite a distinct, very interesting building. Obviously, no festival would be complete without many different rides and games that you can play here and win random prizes. It's very bright, a bit dazzling actually, the lights on show here. But it's fun for the whole family or just younger people in general.